Hello everyone, in this video we're going to have a look at functions. So what is a function basically? A function is like a block of code that you want to execute. Alright, that's given like a name, or that's given like grouped together. So for example, cout. Look at cout for example. Okay, cout is a function, cin is a function. Behind cout and behind cin there's like a lot of lines of code. Alright, that if I run this program, then it's gonna bring up the black command line interface, or the command prompt, the black box where you can see the output and you can get the input. So there's a whole like program behind cout and cin. Alright, where that like calls up the black box and is responsible for a variety of functions. Alright, features, sorry, and actions that are performed with the black box. So that's what cout does. You don't see yourself, whenever you want to print something to the screen, you write the function like, to create a window, maybe some binary code or some assembly code to write to create a black box and to display it and display what it is on it and create a cout function. And yeah, you don't really see that. You just write cout and simply hello, like I did over here. So yeah, now that's what it is. It's a function basically. So what we do is we call the function instead of rewriting the code. So I have a few lines of code right here. Okay, string name, and what it does is basically it's gonna print out hello. Alright, this program, and it's gonna print out my name is, and you're gonna enter in your name, and it's gonna say hello, and it's gonna print out your name. So let's give it a shot and run. Let's run this and see what happens. Okay, so it says hello, and you can just write my name is, and I'm gonna say my name is Adam, and it's gonna say hello Adam. Simple. But assume I want to like do this like I wanted to ask my name twice or thrice, or I want to run this code a couple of times, maybe 3 times, right? So I can actually go in and I can say copy paste it, and it's gonna still work. Oh yeah, that's the issue is that you have to rename the variable. But besides that, assume I'd want to actually I have a program for that's hundreds of lines long, and I want to call this function then in different areas of the program. It would be inefficient to go ahead and move up 100 lines, move up 1,000 lines, and then just copy this code and paste it there and paste it in different places. This is really inefficient, because assume I make changes to one place, then I'm gonna have to make the changes to all other places. So you're gonna have to go and find the function too. So that's really inefficient. So we use functions. So a function would just have a name, and you can just copy, or like cout, for example, is a function. So cout is a function. You can cout a different thing. Alright, so you can just call the cout function wherever you want to cout. You don't need to actually copy paste this entire block. So that's what a function is. Now the way you use a function or declare a function in C++ is by creating a data type. Okay, and then you have the name of the function, 2 brackets, and this the function body. Okay, so just look at the main function. We have int, which is the data type, we have the name of the function, which is main, and we have these 2 brackets, parentheses, and we have the body. Okay, so this is called the prototype, or the function declaration. A function has 2 parts. It has a head and a body. This is the head, this is the body. Now the head is also called the declaration, or it's called the prototype, right? So in the body you're gonna actually write your code which you actually want to call. Alright, now once you've done that, I'm gonna you see kind of that this function is not returning anything. So if we had a return, we could have say return 2, return 3, 4, 5. It would be return some. If we're returning something, then we're gonna change the data type to the appropriate data type, but it doesn't return anything, so it's void. Alright, void, and I'm gonna call this intro. The function name is intro. So whenever I want to call this function, I can just go ahead in the main function, and you write here intro and 2 brackets and semicolon. Alright, so if I run this program right now, you're gonna see that it says hello, my name is and Adam. So hello Adam. So you can see it works. Now the good thing is that if I want to call this function again, then I can simply, maybe 3 times, I want to call it, so 3 times I can just write this function. So you can see I can say Adam, now it calls it again, and I can say Jack, I can say Max. So hello Max, hello Jack, hello Adam. See, so it works, simple. That's what it is, and that's basically the simplest function that I could show you. Alright, thanks for watching.